નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we start our revision work in Standard 6. Subject is Social Science. Now our next question is, it is short note. So student, in the exam also they can ask for short note. So let's start our short note. Write a short note on lithosphere. So we have to write a short note on lithosphere. So first, what is meant by litho? Litho means it is one type of land, soil, whatever we can say. So litho means soil. Lithosphere is important in our following ways also. The lithosphere is the home of mankind, and it's also provide us space for building and materials to the man, and also man gets water from other also water sources on the lithosphere. Man cultivates various crops on the lithosphere, means on the land also. So that one is also helpful. So here first we start lithosphere, means litho plus sphere. If we make difference from the litho and sphere, so that one is also here is litho and that one different is sphere. So here litho plus sphere, litho plus sphere. So it is also in Gujarati also there is a jodi answer. So same thing, lithosphere. So litho plus sphere equal lithosphere. Litho means land. Land means soil. The upper crust of the earth is known as lithosphere. So upper part of the earth, that one is known as the lithosphere. In short, we can understand, and also we know that men cultivate various types of crops on lithosphere and performs their industries and also various activities. So lithosphere is also dwelling place of vegetation and also animals, forest, grass, etc. And minerals obtained also from the lithosphere, and that one is also we used in industries and many other things. So and it is also existence of human and the development of human civilization is due to the only and only lithosphere. So now here we understand what is lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. So that one is litho plus sphere, means litho means soil, land, soil. So the upper crust of the earth is known as the lithosphere. So upper part of the earth, that one is known as the lithosphere. Now understand. Now next one is, it is composed of rocks and other solid matter. So our upper part of the earth, if we know, so it is also hard. So how it is including? It is including from the solid matter. It is composed of rocks and other solid matter. So upper part of the earth, it is full of crust and it is made up of rocks and solid matter. So that one part is very hard. So why it is our earth upper part, upper layer is very hard? Because it is composed of rocks and other solid matters. It is including. So it is called rock sphere or solid sphere. So that why it is known as the rock sphere or solid sphere. So that's why I told you that lithosphere is home of mankind. So from the upper part of the earth we can make home also. So that one provide us space and building materials for a man. So that's why lithosphere is a soil and upper crust of the earth. That one is known as the lithosphere, and it is composed with composed of rock and other solid matter. So that's why it is called a rock sphere or solid sphere. Now next one is the upper crust of the earth is about 64 to 100 kilometers. So upper part of the earth, so that one is 64 to 100 kilometers. So that's why it is thick. So upper part of the layer which we are making home on the earth, so that one is how much thick it is. The upper crust of the earth is around 64 to 100 kilometer thick. It consists of mainly the lighter minerals like aluminium and silica. So it is also made of lighter minerals and also aluminium and silica. So this sphere is thinner deep in the ocean. Lithosphere occupies about 29% of the earth's surface. So lithosphere is also around 29% of the earth's surface. There are landforms, like which type of landform on the earth? So we can say like this. There are landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. So lithosphere occupies 29%. So it is provide us 29% on the earth's surface. And in this place there are landforms. So which type of landform are there? We can see the like mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. in the lithosphere. So the temperature increase as we go to deep in the interior of the earth. So that's why, because this is the rock, mountain, plateau and valleys. So they are the rock. When the temperature high, that one is also increasing in the temperature. So that's why the temperature increasing as we go deep into the interior of the earth. Generally, the temperature increasing by 30 degrees. So in the blanks also they can ask how much. So that one is 30 degrees Celsius. So that one is 30 degrees Celsius increasing for every 1 kilometer of the depth. If we go to deep inside, so it will go to the 1 kilometer. It is around 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature is increasing. So generally the temperature increasing by 30 degrees Celsius for every 1 kilometer of the depth. Lithosphere has a sound relation with the biosphere and vegetation. So lithosphere have also relation with biosphere and vegetation. Lithosphere is also connected to our home, water, agriculture, industries, etc. Also before I talk that lithosphere is developing place of vegetation and animals, forest, grass, plants, animals, etc. are useful in many ways. And also we can get minerals we obtain from the lithosphere and used for in industries and many other things also. So the existence of humans and the development of human civilization is due to the lithosphere. So in this way, lithosphere is very important because lithosphere also provide us land. So man can also live on the landform also, and man gets water. Main thing is water. Man gets water from the water sources of the lithosphere. And also men cultivate. For living they can live on the, and for food. So men cultivate various type of crops on the lithosphere, and perfuming industries also. We can make industries. So we can get many benefits of the lithosphere. Thank you for joining us.